Do you want to make money through Pinterest? Looking to get started with the world's best business opportunity? Check out this video to learn about the business opportunities available and how to make money using Pinterest. So step-by-step guide will be here to the very end of this video, and I'm going to share with you the step-by-step guide with how you can make it possible very easily that you can make money with Pinterest with simple, easy and tricky method that you can simply not have your own contents. Even you can somebody else content, you can simply copy that and you can start generating the best amount of money from that. So step-by-step guide is there. You just need to keep watching the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly the method and strategy is working. Basically, this method and strategy will be available for CPAgrip.com, means CPA marketing, and as well as for affiliate marketing. So whether you're promoting CPA offers or affiliate products, it depends on you. You can just sign up for a pre-account on CPAgrip, or you can simply sign up for a pre-account on the clickbank.com and start promoting your contents with that. So basically, I'm using the clickbank strategy, but the same way you can use CPA marketing strategy as well. So first thing first, you need to sign up for a pre-account by just clicking the Start Here button. A couple of questions will be there. You need to answer them, but if you don't, you can simply skip that. Doesn't matter. Simply add your credential like your first name, last name, email address, password, and phone number and other things like that. You can simply sign up, and then after that, you can simply log into your account right here. Basically, I have already logged into my account. So on the first, when you log in, you go to the marketplace right away here, and you will simply see here the top performing offers, new offers, and saved offers. But we are going to just click on the top offers, or individually, you can simply go to each different category right here. You can simply click on that to just enter that. But I will just simply use the e-business in e-marketing category, which is this one. On the left side, you can also find that. So you can simply click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the different offers right here. The first offer, which is the live chat jobs available job opportunity, is there actually that people who are looking for daily jobs online. So basically, they can simply you can simply target this offer for them right away here. So how you can simply target them, basically, I will show you in this video. But first thing first, if you want to learn more about this, you simply just click on that, and you will be simply go to the main landing page that the people you are or your customer click on your link. So basically, at the first, they will come to this page right here, and this will be a small video that they can simply watch. The really attractive video is that, and there are a couple of questions that you do need to answer them. And if they want, for example, the text version, they can also find right here by just clicking this simple and short video right here. So once people convert to this page right here, so that will be your the best way, or the news actually for you that you generated the money from that right away here. So what I need to do right here now is the time that how we can promote and how we can make money from that. So basically, we simply just click on this promote option right here. And if you want to use the tracking ID, you can simply use. If you use your affiliate ID, you can simply use, and then click on the generate hop link. Once you click on the generate hop link, a special link will be generated for you. That you simply just copy this link from here and start promoting. Before starting promoting, you just need to do a couple of things right here that you convert the possible way and you generate from your each customer right here. So copy this link and simply go back to Bitly or Team URL, and then simply click on the create new URL and click on the link option right here. And that's your link. Click the enter button right here, and that will a small link will be generated for you right here. Which will be this one. Before, that was really big link actually and really ugly link, but now it is really small and attractive link right here that you can simply use, and you simply just click on this copy button and start reporting. But if you want to have more catchy Also, what you need to do, you can use a landing page. For the landing page, I recommend you the heylink.me website, which is a free landing tools actually that you can simply sign up for a free account right here by just clicking the start for free button right here. And then you simply log into your account, something like this. And then you simply just paste your link right here and click on the add new link button. And then after that, you can simply add uh, uh, a title into that right here, like this one right here. But I have already generated my link right here, which is this one: activate your internal wealth DNA to attract wealth, as my landing page. So if people just click on my link, so they will be redirected to the main landing page. So this will be my link right here that I can simply share with people. Before I was sharing the link from ClickBank, but now I will share the link from this landing page because I have already embedded my link right here. So people who click on my link, they will be redirected to this page right here. Once they redirect to this page, they can simply click on this button right here. And after that, they will be redirected to this page right here. Okay, so that is fine. Now we just created the link, landing page, each and everything. Now it is time to promote our CPA link right here or affiliate link right here. Okay, so how you can promote, as I told you at the beginning, that we are going to promote on the Pinterest, because Pinterest is one of the best traffic source right here that you can simply use. And Pinterest, many people in the world are using Pinterest, and they are getting a lot of money from that right away here. So according to the similar wave, they have a big potential of the traffic, and most of the traffic are coming from the tier 1 country. You can simply check for this video. If I check on the similar wave, so it will be getting longer. So that's why I will just skip that part right here and show you. So I will also prove you that how people are making money from that. So if I simply show you this one example right here, I mean, this guy has just got 4.9 thousand followers, means almost 5,000 followers they are getting, but he's using something like, he's having actually 241,000 traffic, means visiting to this month, or 241,000 plus views this month this guy is getting by only 5,000 followers right here. So means that is attractive, that is more engageable, and many people are using. But if you just focus on these videos and focus on these contents, these are not from one guy, these contents. These are from different guys right here. The videos are separated or downloaded from different accounts right here, whether that is TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or anything like that, but they are using from different platforms and different people right here. This is not one example right here. The second example is this one actually, that this guy is getting 3,000 followers only, but he is getting 275,000 plus views per month, which is a lot of views right here that you can simply see here. Again, if you just focus on their content, these are not from one guy or two guys or three guys or 3-4 accounts right here. That is from different people who's got views, so they are just uploading on this channel right here. And the third example is also this one right here, that they got 395 followers, okay? Means only 400 followers, but they're getting monthly views, almost 142,000 views, okay? 1,000 views. You can simply see here the contents being that is not from one person. This is one person, the second, third, fourth. Means from the different people, they are just using their contents, and even there are no copyright issues, something like that. If there was copyright issue, so these accounts wouldn't be available right here. They would be just restricted almost right here, but it's not happening. If you just go to the last account that I will simply show you, with 346 followers only, but they are getting 37,000 followers, which is a lot of followers. So if you look, that is the same videos and the same contents that other people are using. So this guy is also using from different accounts right here. So the purpose is that you simply just create a simple account on the Pinterest.com by just your email address. This is one. Once you sign up, then simply go to the profile section right here, Click on that and open your profile. You simply use your photo, whatever you are using. You use your name, for example, whatever the name is that have to be related to make money online niche actually, okay? Use a small and a catchy description. And after that, just use your affiliate link right here, what I have used right here. So the same way. Once you are done with that, simply just go down right here and simply click on the save option right here to save your profile. So that will look something like these guys right here. You can simply see here that this guy is promoting YouTube video and make money online actually. And this guy is using something else. Tap link, okay, make money online. This is using affiliate marketing. Okay, the third one is also using Bitcoin. Okay, that is a landing page actually that this guy is using for make money online niche. And this guy is using direct Digistore 24 affiliate link right here. Okay, direct link. Even they did not shorten the link, even though they did not, for example, create the landing page, they are using direct link. So for you, it's important to use the banner image, the profile image, add your name, a short description. If you can try to the this, you can simply just copy this from here and just put it in your description. It doesn't matter. And the link option, you just need to add your affiliate link. Once you're done with this, the next step is that actually to simply go to tiktok.com. Once you simply go to the tiktok.com right here, you can simply sign up or not. It doesn't matter. But what you need to do right here, you simply search in the search bar related to make money online. Once you search and make money online, you will simply see here all these videos right here, which is related to make money online. And all these guys are talking about make money online, earn money online, work from home, something like that. So simply, what you need to do right here, you simply just click.
Here's a side hustle for the broke teenagers. You can make 500.
All those trending videos that coming on the first page right here means that is trending, and they got more than 1 million views. You simply just click on that and you will see a small link right here. You simply just click on copy this link and simply go to this website like snapkick.app. Okay, snapkick.app is the website actually. You simply just come back right here and paste your large link right here and simply click on the download option right here. Once you click on the download option right here, basically they will give you the option right here that this is the video right here with the hashtags, username, each and everything right here. You simply click on the download HD, download and download server 3, download other video. You simply just click on the download option right here. So basically that will be downloaded to your PC, laptop or smartphone, whatever you're using, that will be downloaded. You can simply see here that it is downloaded in my account right away here. You simply see here, if you can see that it's on the top right here, the notification that it is downloaded. Okay, that is that much simple. And the video is actually also without watermark right here. You can simply use. So that is the main thing right here, that you simply just use something like this. So all those trending videos which is related to make money online, you simply just download.
Here's a side hustle for the broke teenagers. You can make $500 per day passively with just a phone and a...
Okay, you see here that was a complete video that I have simply downloaded in a second. And then simply come back right here to your account right here on the Pinterest, and you simply just click on the create option and then simply click on create. That's all. Okay, in 5 minutes you can simply download 10 or 15 or 16 videos, and then you can simply re-upload back right here. Nothing will happen, no hesitation, nothing is needed, no copyright issue is that, because if there was copyright issue, these accounts wouldn't be available on Pinterest right now, and that is really trending, and they are just grabbing from different accounts on TikTok the videos and just uploading right over here. Means that is simple, easy, everybody can do that. Nothing is needed for that. At the first day, you need to choose the offer. The second, you need to create the landing page. The third, you need to create a free Pinterest account. And the next, you simply go to TikTok and you simply download the videos one by one right here. And that is a really simple and easy job that everybody can do that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that and take action. This is a consistent business. If you just stick into that, just at least 15 days or 1 month, you can do this work and then you will see the result and you will thank me later. Okay. So thank you for watching right now. Please hit the like button as an appreciation. Subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates. So thanks. If you want to make more money online and have a lot of traffic and your link, for example, with CPA link that you have taken, so what you need to do, the best and coolest way is that to use email marketing. So for email marketing, we have this software right here that can definitely work for you, okay? So I will just put you the link in the description for this software. You can simply just go there and click on that. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page right here, and you will see all the coolest features right here on this email marketing software right here. And you can see each and everything step by step right away here. You can see all the bonuses, all the benefits, all the testimonials, all examples, earning proofs, and other things right here. Step by step, whenever you just approve with that or you agree with that, then you can take action on this method and you can see at the backside, you can simply see the result. So it is a great offer that you can simply use that at the backside. You can earn a huge amount of money from that. So it is a brilliant offer that I just recommend you with a lot of different bonuses right here that you can simply use. Just go check the link in the description of this video and you can enjoy it. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.